Hi, in this video I'm going to show how Amazon Basic HDMI cable looks like. So I have ordered this one 3 feet, and if you see its quality, it's really nice. It cost me around 300 rupees, and you can see it is gold plated. And many of the cable providers are giving the same quality, but I started to like the Amazon Basics one. You can see, and it comes with this packaging. So I hope you get the idea what kind of quality you will get if you order this. So this is the back side of this packing. It says 600, but I order it for around 300 rupees. So it comes with different sizes like 6 feet, 10 feet, 15 feet. So order it according to your own need. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.